Hello and welcome back. In our increasingly digital world, cybersecurity laws and ethics play a crucial role in protecting individuals and businesses alike. Today, we venture into the realm of cybersecurity, focusing on both Indian and global perspectives. Understanding the legal framework and ethical considerations surrounding cybersecurity can help us navigate this complex landscape effectively. Let's start with ethical hacking rules. Ethical hacking is defined as the practice of intentionally probing systems or networks for security vulnerabilities with the aim of strengthening them. However, it's essential to follow specific rules and guidelines. Ethical hackers must obtain explicit permission from the system owner before conducting an assessment. This authorization is crucial as it distinguishes ethical hacking from malicious activities, which are illegal. Furthermore, ethical hackers should report their findings responsibly, ensuring that vulnerabilities are communicated to the appropriate parties so they can be addressed promptly. Now, let's delve into the Information Technology Act of India, enacted in 2000. This act aims to regulate cyber activities and ensure a safe digital environment for users. Among its objectives are the promotion of electronic commerce and the enhancement of cybersecurity. A significant aspect of the IT Act is its legal recognition of electronic records and electronic signatures, which facilitate smooth online transactions. The IT Act also encompasses provisions related to cybercrimes, defining various offenses such as hacking, identity theft, and data breaches. It establishes penalties for such crimes, aiming to deter malicious behaviors. Moreover, the Act mandates organizations to implement adequate security measures, ensuring the protection of sensitive data. This highlights the critical role of cybersecurity compliance in safeguarding user information and maintaining trust in online services. As we shift our focus to global contexts, the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, stands out as one of the most comprehensive data privacy regulations in the world. Enforced in the European Union in 2018, GDPR aims to protect personal data, ensuring individuals have greater control over their information. It emphasizes the importance of consent, requiring organizations to obtain clear and explicit consent before processing personal data. GDPR also introduces the concept of data subject rights, which empowers individuals to access their data, request corrections, and even demand deletion under certain conditions. Additionally, organizations must report data breaches within 72 hours, demonstrating the regulation's commitment to transparency and accountability. Such stringent requirements highlight the significance of ethical data handling, fostering an environment where users feel safe sharing their information. Authorization is a central theme in both ethical hacking and legal compliance. This principle serves as the foundation that differentiates ethical conduct from illegal activities. Without proper authorization, actions taken by individuals, even if intended for security enhancement, can lead to severe legal repercussions. It is critical for organizations to develop clear policies outlining the authorization process for ethical hacking and cybersecurity assessments, ensuring that all parties understand their responsibilities. As we navigate the intersection of cybersecurity laws and ethics, we must also recognize the ethical dilemmas that can arise. For instance, ethical hackers may encounter situations where they discover severe vulnerabilities in systems and must decide how best to communicate these findings. The ethical choice would involve reporting the issue to the appropriate stakeholders, but doing so can sometimes lead to conflicts, such as potential backlash from the organization or legal repercussions for the hacker. Moreover, organizations must also contend with ethical concerns around data usage. As companies collect vast amounts of personal data, they face the ongoing challenge of balancing business interests with the rights of individuals. Ethical considerations should guide data collection practices, data sharing, and the implementation of security measures. Companies that prioritize ethical standards in their cybersecurity practices not only comply with legal requirements but also enhance their reputation and build trust with their customers. In conclusion, the interplay between cybersecurity laws and ethics is both intricate and vital. As we have discussed, ethical hacking rules, the IT Act in India, and GDPR regulations all underscore the importance of authorization and responsible conduct in the digital space. Cybersecurity professionals are tasked with navigating these laws while fostering an ethical approach to their work. As we move forward, it is essential for individuals and organizations to remain informed and proactive in understanding and adhering to cybersecurity laws and ethical standards. By doing so, we can create a safer and more secure digital environment for everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like and comments. Also don't forget to click on bell icon to get the latest video notification.